I can't do this anymore. For how long will I have to wait for the reality of my dream to unveil? For how long will I have to endure the pain? I will not do this anymore. I will just settle and enjoy life as it may be. We will be taking away the painful journey and telling you that anything in life that is worth running after is going to be painful. But the journey is not for the faint-hearted. Great things come to those who endure the pain. Welcome to Behind the Curtains, and let us help you birth your dream, birth your visions, and birth your focus. Behind the Curtains will be bringing to you an opportunity, a journey to help you focus and get the greatness inside of you. See you at the Behind the Curtains, and let's give birth to that dream that you've been forgetting about and giving up on for the longest time. Whatever you do, leave a mark in your generation. See you there.